Open up Premiere Pro, click on New Project. This video is going to Josh, so I wrote Josh. Project location, I'm just going to put this on my desktop. So click on Desktop, click Choose, and then Create down on the bottom right. It's going to make a Premiere Pro file. We can delete that later once this is all completed. Here's the ScreenFlow video I made for him. I'm going to drag and drop it right here in the timeline area. Now in the menu in the top, click on Window, and then click on Text. Then click on the button that says Transcribe Sequence. And then click on the button Transcribe. I'm not cutting this down. I want you to see how long this takes. All right, my actual video was 26 seconds long. That took about 12 seconds to transcribe. Now at the top here of this panel of transcript, click on CC. That is Create Captions. Let's click on that button and then click on Create. And I'm not going to, oh, that was really quick, see that? And we have a track up here that has the transcription. If we double click right here, that selects the video track, and we can click on the corners to make our video a little bit smaller and then drag it to the top. And now we can see our text here. Let's export this. Click on this link right here. To rename it, I'm going to rename it Josh. Click Save. And then click Export. And it's going to take this amount of time. And there we go. It's all done. Let's view it. Hey Josh, getting back to you on your shadow here you were talking about. So this is a good shadow for this. The only so it's working. Premiere Pro does the job. What you'll notice is a new folder was created from the Premiere Pro project we just made. If you open that up, you'll see different iterations of the project. So these two files kind of go together. But if you're done with this video and you've uploaded it to the LMS and you don't need to work with it anymore, you can delete all of these files. Hope this helps.